Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to our channel where we explore the mystical and magical. Today, we're going to be talking about devil's shoestring and its spiritual applications. Stay tuned as we unravel the secrets of this potent herb and learn how to incorporate it into your own spiritual practice. Devil's shoestring is a remarkable herb with a rich history in folk magic, hoodoo, and many other spiritual practices. It's believed to possess protective and luck-drawing properties. This humble root gets its name for its similar appearance to that of shoestrings. Before using it, I like to sage the shoestring to make sure it's clear from any energies that it may have picked up. One of the primary uses of devil's shoestring is for protection. A Mojo bag is an easy way to carry this powerful herb. All you need is devil's shoestring root, protection oil, and a red Mojo bag. You can also add other protective herbs such as black salt, black obsidian, and basil leaves. Place the devil's shoestring root and a couple drops of oil and other protective items into the bag. As you do this, focus your intent on creating a powerful protective charm. Carry the Mojo bag with you or place it in your home to ward off negative energy. Other ways to protect your home is placing the root under your doormat. You can also tie the devil's shoestring root with a red ribbon or thread and hang it above your front door, or place it near a window and entrances to create a protective barrier around your home. As you do so, set the intention for it to keep negative energies and intruders at bay. If you have a cross condition, look no further than the devil's shoestring root. You'll also need parchment paper, a black candle or an uncrossing candle, as well as uncrossing oil. Lastly, you want to have a place where you can burn your parchment paper safely. Write down the obstacles or negative conditions you wish to remove on parchment paper. Anoint your candle with uncrossing oil and light the candle and burn the parchment paper in its flame, saying words of release and uncrossing. Place the devil's shoestring root near the candle to absorb and remove negativity. You can also carefully burn the shoestring and place the ashes outside when you're done. This herb is also known for its luck-drawing qualities. Carrying devil's shoestring can attract good fortune and prosperity into your life. You can use the devil's shoestring just like a lucky charm by placing it in your purse or wallet and watch the money flow. Some practitioners use devil's shoestring to enhance their psychic abilities, as well as for meditation or sleep. You can place the devil's shoestring under your pillow for better dreams before going to sleep at night. There you have it, a journey into the magical world of devil's shoestring and its spiritual uses. Whether you seek protection, luck, or the removal of obstacles, this versatile herb can help you in many, many ways. Thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our magical content. Remember to stay positive, stay blessed, and stay original. Until next time.